Stand in the mirror still, seeing more than face and name. Every choice a quiet turn, every step a shaping flame. There's a voice beneath the noise, calling softly from within. Not alone and not apart, learning where I truly begin. I am shaped by what I choose. I am guided when I see what I am is not the mask, but the truth remembering me. Mannaz, show me who I am. Mannaz, help me understand. I walk this path as myself, not the echo of another plan. Mannaz, human and aware. Mannaz, strength I learn to share. I stand as one, a part of all, answering the call to care. Hands reach out and hands receive. No one grows by standing close. There is wisdom in the bond that reminds us what we know. Mind and body learning trust, two sides finding common ground. When they move in quiet sync, something whole is finally found. I don't rise by standing alone, I don't lose myself in the crowd. I remember who I am and let that truth speak out. Mannaz, show me who I am. Mannaz, help me understand. I walk this path as myself, not the echo of another plan. Mannaz, human and aware. Mannaz, strength I learn to share. I stand as one, a part of all, answering the call to care. I release the borrowed voice, I return to what is real. What I am does not compete, it simply learns to feel. Mannaz, clear within my sight. Mannaz, balanced in my mind. I live aligned with what I am and leave the rest behind. Mannaz, here as I was meant. Mannaz, present and intent. I remember I belong.